Confessions, take 1.
I became a builder because I was starting my own project. Had to remodel my own house. It was an old farmhouse, and honestly, I fell in love with just working with my hands. And once I did that, I realized sitting behind a desk wasn't for me, so I needed to pursue that. So I just started my own business.
I actually started in the field as an electrician. Kind of got the building bug and ended up being a general contractor, and eventually moved on to the building science, building testing, diagnostics, stuff like that.
I'm thinking the fact that they sell their tubes with 10.5 ounces versus the competitors with less. Honestly, their products are better to use. The way it comes out of the gun, the way it flows, the way it's workable, that's a big deal as a builder.
Yes.
Also, for me, a lot of times you're working in less than ideal conditions, whether it's colder conditions, wet conditions. I love the Lexel product line, and it works like almost no matter what.
Yeah.
Randy, this guy right here. Genuine, great heart, lots of information. A good person, somebody who you want to have a good conversation with, like a good hang. I always say, like, you don't have to be everything, but if you're a good hang, like, you're probably going to be a good person.
Yeah, be able to get along, like you said, get along with people, and then be open.